Christ. We're supposed to get a lot of snow today, too. Whoa. That looks crazy on camera, but in real life it looks like nothing. It is snowing and raining much harder now.